Today, I'm going to show you how to create simple videos for your business at zero cost. So let's get started with Google. You can search for Canva. Then we log in. There's three options here, and I would like to log in with Google account. And I continue with my account. After we have successfully logged in into the Canva, we will be redirected to a homepage of Canva. And there's few options here. There's video, presentation, poster, logo, and flyer. And our today's topic is video, so we would like to click on the video. And on the left hand side, there's a lot of options, which is templates. There's free templates that we can use. Let's say I want to use this template, and I can adjust edit the content inside, but I'm not going to use this template, so I would like to undo. And photos, there's a lot of free photos here, elements and text, music and videos and background. The last one is upload, and I can upload the images and videos that I'm going to use for this project. So the Canva will uploading for me while we were waiting for that. Then we will change the title here to Go Makan. So this Go Makan will be our video title, and we can go to the videos. We can type foods. Then we click on it, then the videos will appear in the page. As you can see, there's a space around the video, so it's not fully fit to the background. So we can right click and then set video as background, so it will fit properly. And this one is the preview button, so we click on it so we can see the video. And this video is 15 seconds long. It's a bit too long, so we definitely don't want the video to be too long. Then we can click on the video. There's a trim options here. Click on it, and there's 15 seconds, so we would like to reduce it to 3 seconds. 3 seconds, so we can click on done. Of course, we can drag to the middle part to any part you like. It will remain 3 seconds, so click on that and go to text. Add some text here, drag it and then drop here. And we can easily resize the text by dragging the corner and then move to the position corner. And we can add a new page. And there's a problem when we try to add a new page. Canva sometimes will duplicate our previous work, so we have to right click and delete it. So for the next option, we will go to the elements. Under the grid, we choose the 3 columns grid, and we can go to the videos. We can use split again. We can insert to the column 1, column 2, or the column 3, and we can double click on it. This is the display session, and the whole video, the whole session is here, but we only display part of the video. So you can click on it and then drag it to the left or drag it to the right. Then for the second one, you can use a foot, so you can drag the foot here. And for the third one, we can use the fast food. You can use a Big Mac, McDonald's, and we can trim the 3 videos because 3 videos have different lengths, so we can reduce it to 5 seconds. 5 seconds, done. And then we do it for the same for the second video. We can reduce it to 5 seconds. 5 seconds, done. And the third one, trim, 5 seconds. And we can add a new page. And for the third one, we will use our own videos. So we go to the uploads video section. You can drag this video and then drop. And then we can right click, set videos as background. Then we can go to elements again, go to the frames, and we can drag the frames. And this one is a bit bigger, so we can resize it to make it smaller, like this. And then we can go to uploads again, go to images. We can drag our own images into this frame, and then these images will only fit into the frame. And we can add the text. We can add this tag, drag it and then drop it at here. And of course, we can edit the content. This is like cooked by master chef, and we can make it smaller. and drag it to the corner, to the bottom of the profile. Then we add another page, and then it's the same program again. We can edit, so we can go to the uploads, we can go to a video, check our own video, right click, set video as background, and this we can add some text on it, drag it and then drop, and we can change the text to yummy. And this text we are not going to use that, so we will delete it. So resize it to make it smaller. You can edit the text color, and there's other options like spacing, bullet, list, or alignment. So we can add another page. It's the same program again, so we will edit. And the third one, we will import our own images. This images is a GIF images, but when we try to upload to the Canva, we will group under the categories, and we can add the text. So we change the hub to food plus delivery, and the text is too big, we can resize it. And we can add a new page. Now we will go to the background, and I would like to use the wood background, so I type wood, and the wood background is coming up. We can either drag, or this is the undo button, and we can just click on it. It will fit properly to the page because it's a background images. And now we can go to elements. Under the frames, we click on see all, and there's a desktop, mobile, tablet. So this time we will be using the mobile. Of course, we can change the display section in the mobile. So we can go to the video, we type food, and now we can drag our food. We can drag our food inside this video, and we can adjust the display section to here. And now we can go to text and add some text to it. Add this text. It's too big, so for this text we can change to go marker, and this text we can change to come and join us now. And we can change the text color to light blue. Change to light blue now. And now we can go to elements. We can add stickers, gradients. We can add a gradient. So we drag it and then drop it here. And the pen was on the top of the mobile, so we can right click on it and set backward, so it will land on the top of the mobile. And now we can add the music and listen, and click on it when we want to use it, and the song will appear at here. And this part, the lines with color, will be played in our video, and the rest of the part with no color wouldn't be played in our video because our video is not long enough, because the whole song was 2 minutes. And now everything is done. We can click on the download button, download, and the Canva will show.